Hey there, Minecraft enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of aesthetic house designs that can elevate your game to the next level. Aesthetic design is all about creating visually pleasing structures while integrating them seamlessly into the Minecraft environment. Let's explore what makes a house truly aesthetic. Get ready to discover our top 5 aesthetic house styles that will impress your friends and beautify your world. First up, we have the Japanese Zen garden house. This style includes elements like bamboo, water features, and peaceful outdoor spaces to relax in. Next is the modern minimalist house. With its clean lines and focus on simplicity, this style lets you enjoy the beauty of minimalism in Minecraft. Let's not forget the classic cottage style. It's perfect if you love charming details and warm, inviting aesthetics. The rustic farmhouse captures the essence of nature with its use of natural materials. It's a great way to appreciate the beauty of the outdoors in Minecraft. Lastly, we have the fantasy treehouse. It's adventurous and brings a touch of magic to your gameplay, surrounded by lush trees and wildlife. Now let's sprinkle some personal touches. Customize your home to reflect your personality with unique decorations and color palettes. Remember, the only limit to your creativity is your imagination. So grab your tools and start building your next Minecraft masterpiece.